In this lesson, you're going to learn a song to help you remember the helping, or also known as the being verbs. What I'd like for you to do is to please go to the grammar section of your notebook and please make the title helping/being verbs. Please write down these first 5 helping verbs: am, is, are, was, were. Now I'm going to play you a recording of the first part of the song. I want you to listen to this and then to practice it on your own.
Am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were.
Please play that over as many times as you need to until you have the first 5 helping verbs memorized. Now we're going to move on to 3 more helping verbs: be, being, been. Please listen to the tune of these helping verbs.
Be, being, been. Be, being, been. Be, being, been. Be, being, been.
Again, please memorize these helping verbs. Replay the video as much as you need. Here are the next 4 helping verbs: shall, will, may, can.
Shall, will, may, can. Shall, will, may, can. Shall, will, may, can. Shall, will, may, can.
Please memorize this part of the helping verbs. Play the video as many times as you need. Here are the next 3 helping verbs: have, has, and had.
Have, has, had. Should, would, could. Have, has, had. Should, would, could. Have, has, had. Should, would, could. Have, has, had. Should, would, could.
Now you noticed in that recording that they also included the next helping verbs: should, would, could. Please write those down also.
Have, has, had. Should, would, could. Have, has, had. Should, would, could. Have, has, had. Should, would, could. Have, has, had. Should, would, could.
Please play the recording as many times as you need to until you have memorized these 6 helping verbs. Now please go ahead and write down do, does, did. Here is the recording for do, does, did.
Do, does, did, might, must. Do, does, did, might, must. Do, does, did, might, must. Do, does, did, might, must.
Again, might and must were also listed on this audio, so now please write those down. Practice the audio as many times as you need to until you have these 5 helping verbs memorized.
Do, does, did, might, must. Do, does, did, might, must. Do, does, did, might, must. Do, does, did, might, must.
Your job is to now memorize the song for all of the helping verbs. Once you have done this, please come up to your teacher and recite the song to her or to him. I will now play the entire helping verb song for you. Again, please replay this video as many times as you need until you have learned all of the helping verbs.
Am, is, are, was, were. Be, being, been. Shall, will, may, can. Have, has, had. Should, would, could. Do, does, did, might, must.